Hi everyone, I am here to help more than 100,000 of people who have no proper guidance how to start a new business based on CNC router machine, and also for those people who have already invested in CNC router machine and stuck with problems in running and scaling up the business. This is a demo video on CNC router which is used for die making application, coin die and jewelry die application. This demo I have courtesy to Solid Machines, and you please watch the demo. Thanks for watching the video. My name is Pradeep Kumar KP. I am a CNC router specialist. I am conducting numerous training program on CNC router and also share a lot of information regarding CNC router business. You may please subscribe my channel. You may also please subscribe my other channels as given below. Thank you once again.